How's it going, everyone? Nick Salzman here, tattoo medium. I get a chance to do some tattoos and help people with spiritual related issues. Today, we're going to talk about false guides. People many times reach out to me wanting to know how to use the pendulum or how to interpret some of the movements and how to talk with spiritual guides and that kind of stuff. And so many times these people are talking to things that aren't exactly a spiritual guide. There are many things that are out there. If you look at some of my other videos on shapeshifters, this deals into that once again. So if you're looking for guidance, and especially if you're someone that kind of naturally feels lonely, or maybe feels like you have like abandonment issues, that kind of stuff, this is the perfect soil for this kind of stuff to grow. Oftentimes we will attract what's really going on inside. So if we are lonely, we're going to attract the lonely. If we're angry, we're going to attract the angry. If we're confused, we're going to attract the confused. And so this way this goes, it's not a punishment, it's a resonance thing. We got to be in resonance with it, okay? So with that being said, sometimes people contact these guides, or these guides contact them, and one of the biggest things that you could tell if they're a false guide or not is if they start stroking your ego. If they start telling you that you're the chosen one, or that, you know, they've been waiting for someone like you that they can impart this knowledge on and do this kind of stuff. What it's meant to do is fluff that ego, get you to trust it, so that way it sticks around. Why does it do this? Because where they're at, they're stuck and they're lonely, and they know that if they can give us an emotional reaction, they'll feed off of our energy. Some of these books call it Louch, and there's a few different ways we can get it. Basically, us being a spiritual being encapsulated in the physical form, our emotions trigger energy. Now these are stuck, they feed off that energy, and it gives them sustenance. It's just kind of the way it is, and so they don't know another way. So here's what I challenge all of you that have a guide that you're working with. Be honest, be sincere with it, and be open. It's not about being right or wrong, it's about being open. Compassion is going to help cut through everything. I challenge you, when you're working with your guide, to ask them, be honest with me. Do you need help? Because if you're in pain or discomfort, I can help you. And if you need to get back to your family, I can help you with that. Give them the opportunity to be honest with you, and let them know that if they're honest with you and if they need help, you're going to help them. And if you don't know how to help them, contact me and I'll help you help them. So this is the way it works. Be open, because many people on the spiritual journey do not use discernment, and they just take things as it is. Whatever it is, my approach, I have the ability to cut right through it. But it's not because of some skill, it's because of compassion. Compassion, being able to help and being willing to help, changes the demeanor of everything. Why worry about getting caught if you know you're still going to be loved? Hope you guys dug this one.